Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where your computer freezes while printing on Windows 11, then please watch this video. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, scroll down, select troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, wait till it loads, click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter, and obviously you can reinstall the drivers but from the manufacturer's website. So let's say that you're using a Canon printer. Okay, so you will have to search for the drivers and then go to the driver package website and then go to download and then click on open. This way you will be able to install the latest set of drivers. Don't use the drivers that are existing on the system already. So these are the two main solutions. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.